So now that it has finished setting up its initial stages, we still have to capture the mouse, click OK. And to improve the appearance of visual elements, Windows will automatically adjust your screen display settings. Click OK. Now the Windows will ask you if it's okay, if you could read this, click OK, or it will revert. But I can see this quite fine, so I'm going to click OK. I'm just going to move the window into view a little bit better. There you can see Microsoft logo again coming up after its 39 minutes initial setup stage. And this is where it's pulling all its files from your folder on your virtual machine. At least my one was called XP-RON, and the files were stored on the H virtual drive, which was image from the Daemon tools. So it's pulling all the files that it extracted, all the information that you inputted into it, and loading these files. And there the lovely Windows music. I don't know if you can hear it, but it sounds lovely. When the Windows XP comes up, it gives you a little welcome to Microsoft Windows window, and it tells you to click next, or you could click the question mark that happens to be bouncing around if you need help, or you could click or press the F1 key. Right now I'm going to click next. So it's asking you to help protect your PC. Now after it's installed, it's going to go through a next set of requirements that you need to be interactive with, and that helps you finish install your PC. So yes, I want you to turn on automatic updates now. Click next. Now it's asking you, how will this computer connect to the internet? Directly or through a network? So since it's going to connect through my network, and click next. And it's asking me if I'm ready to activate Windows over the internet now, or no, remind me every few days. I'll say remind me later, because I just need to install Windows first, and I can remind to reactivate next video. So my computer name for this is still Ron. I'll be next. So we're just going to put in Ron XP. We're going to click next. So we have Ron XP on XP-RON using Ron. So now it says thank you. Click finish. And there your welcome window comes up telling you that you have, successfully installed Windows XP. And the wonderful logon music comes on as well. Here it is personalizing your settings. Here your start window comes up with your name, Ron XP, or whatever name you inputted. Here you will see Internet, Email, MSN, Windows Media Player, Windows Messenger, Tor XP, Files and Settings Transfer Wizard, or if you want to use all programs. It will also show you my documents, my pictures, my music, my computer, and most importantly, in case you need to set up or change any part of your system, your control panel. Here you have your command prompt. When it is you can't use the user interface, you could use a command line to actually run your system. You have your log off and your turn off computer. So now in the right hand corner, you'll see your recycle bin, and it's telling you antivirus software must be installed, because once you want to access the internet, any virus can get in on your system and crash it. So we're gonna click the button. Now your Windows Security Center comes up, but all this could be found in your control panel in case you want to change your system settings, such as your virus protection and install and uninstall programs. So it's telling me my virus protection is not found, and it's telling me recommendations. Alright, now I am going to install an antivirus onto the system by name of Avast, which is a free antivirus software. So I'll show you that in the next clip. Whereas down here it tells you again in the right hand window if you want to take a tour, or on the shield here, the shield tells you about your automatic updates, your speaker, and the one that looks like two keys are your 30 days left for activation. So it's telling me I have two updates to install, so I'm just going to quickly install those two. But for now, I need to look for the antivirus software in order to protect this client machine.